Hello, hello. Oh, what's good? I was in recording mode, not streaming mode. How's the volume? Let me get this a little bit closer. Okay. So, I was just talking to myself. So we have some standard enemies across all these levels now. Now that I've played around with it a bit more. So these snipers that you can see here. This one, I think this one is just a single shot. What level is this? Okay, I think we might change this a little bit. Fast gunner, sniper. Okay, let's change this. So, as I was saying, I have more standardized levels, and this enemy type here, this is fast sniper. This guy is basically a sniper with double shot and 200 HP, which I am really enjoying. Even in the regular mode, it's kind of nice. So I'm gonna make this guy a fast gunner, and I want to make this guy a fast sniper. Yeah, let's check this out. So if like I'm not like 100% certain right now how we're gonna lay it out. I'm like leaning on the campaigns, but either way, I think some level of standardization, like so like if you're in one campaign, or if you're in one style of level, at least inside of that domain, I want to make sure that the enemies are recognizable, because the game has this abstract style where all the enemies look the same. So just to make sure that that doesn't completely disorient the player. So over here we have one fast gunner. This is kind of slowing down the level a little bit. I think I'm just going to change this level. Yeah, I want to change this level. I'm going to make this guy a fast sniper. Apply gunner. You can just be a regular gunner. You can be a fast sniper. After this, I have to be a little bit more patient with this, because this is going to take some time. I don't want to rush this. Ow. I think this guy can just be a regular balloon enemy. I think the next set of levels I want to try out are one campaign will just be like Uzi and Shuriken, like exclusively. Damn. I think that will be fun. Really have to get the order down. Otherwise these enemies just whoop you like that. Yeah, it's got a beat to it. It's got a rhythm to it, and yeah, you can tell. This is different because this one has a charger. This one does not, and over here, this is going to be a flipped grunt, flipped balloon. I guess that checks out. Are you not a fast sniper yet? You're not. Now you are. And these are all like 10-second levels right now. I think I'm gonna have to go at least like double this size. I'm thinking at least 20 seconds. Let's time this one. 10 seconds, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go longer than this, of course. But yeah, these are the separate lines that I have going. So this level again is using that same double gun sniper thing. You can actually take out this guy without having them shoot. Check this out. So like if you're like really fast, you can still do it in this game mode, not the other one. I mean in this setup, not in the dodge roll. We are to give these names. I think this is pretty good. More like there's more the deflect was very like it was used very systematically in transcend mode, but here it'll be more you'll have to be more savvy with it basically. Nice. Let's restart. Nice. What else do we have? This is a little bit longer. Okay, cool. Now let's bring in that Uzi. I'm a samurai. Let me see this level setup. Gunner 1, Sky 9, Modifier 1. Level Bio 100, Sky 9 4. Modifier 1. Okay. I think if I just remove this, we're good to go. Yeah, let's do it. Save as M Shuriken 1 level. You know what? Actually, let's try. We're gonna have to come up with new enemies here. Let's do the basics first. Give me a manifest start. I'll start with a Shuriken pickup right here. Let's put this in the manifest. Shuriken 1. Now this map is gonna start getting a little bit bigger. Commit, save all changes. Thank you. Do I get my pickup? I don't get my pickup. Okay, I'm not getting my pickup, I guess. How about here? That's kind of annoying. Man, this used to work, you know. Damn, it's loud. Okay, I guess it's not working here, so it'll work here. Shuriken pickup. Is it because it's in manifest? No. Oh, this is a lot. This is like, okay, combining the slower movement with the Shuriken is like, oh dude, this is something else. This is, oh man, this is gonna be fun. But I think the levels will have to be tuned for this. Okay, I think I'm gonna enjoy making this. Wait. This calls for some fine tuning. Like we could do dodge roll with the Shuriken, or we could do deflects, because I think the deflects here are going to like be really fun. Like because if the movement is slow and you're deflecting, it'll be like this, that back and forth rhythm will really be like the pacing of it will be really cool with the Shuriken. You know what this calls for? Quick step, no. Dodge roll, also no. Combo time, no. Player speed, knife swing allowed, false. Okay, no, true. So it's just manifest, but we are setting the combo time. This doesn't need to be here. Quick shots, falls, true sight, true. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have ninja profile. I think the level generate ops dot modifier kind 1, else if kind 2 will go ninja. Okay, and I think this samurai is being we're gonna need another one here. Constance ninja. Let's find a man. This would be a cool icon, but I'll just stick to the font magic that we have going here. Okay, all fonts, documents, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, content, run gun, content, fonts, silver. I'm just gonna come up with something random right now, and we're not gonna spend too much time on this. As much as I love looking at the symbols, how much I love looking at the symbols. Okay, now which one of these? I think this is the samurai one. This is more mage. This is definitely more mage too. Is this a ninja? No, it's not. This is a ninja? No, it's not. This guy? No. These are all playing cards, man. That looks like a shuriken to me. 1F, 0F1. 1F, 0F1. Okay, now we're going ninja mode. Shuriken 1, modifier 2, apply. And these enemies, we're gonna have to tune these as well. Okay, let's do some magic. Also, this level, you know, I'm gonna spend some time trying to really none empty surface 1, apply 4 height. Let's make this pretty. Okay, let's make this pretty. Charger hiding here. I really want to make it feel like I want it to feel different. You know what I mean? Send the player out. This is what I need to do more of, man. I need to explore more of these. You know, just I've spent so much time making this level editor do the thing I wanted to do. I should put it to good use. Okay, modifier is 1. There's a charger here. Trees everywhere. Another, like maybe a wall. You know, I'm reminded of Contra right now. Contra. You know, was it Contra? No, it was I'm reminded not of Contra. I'm reminded of the Rambo. The Rambo game on NES. Rambo NES. Was it NES? No. Game Boy? No. Sega. This one, dude. Oh, dude. Man, I played this so much. In the second stage where you go fight the helicopter at the end of the first stage, was it? Oh man, this was so much fun. And then in this stage you go into like this bunker. And then like there's like a bomb that goes off. This is what I was reminded of when I put down that wall. It has that MGS2 top-down aesthetic feel to it, I guess. This dungeon will explode in 2 minutes. Hurry up! Amazing. Oh man, good times. Good times. Okay, so we take out these two enemies here. I wanted to feel a little bit like, you know, I'm exploring. Okay, like I want to have that feeling. So okay, the charger, gunner, ninja. Yeah, bro, you're putting some ninjas here because we ninja in any way, right? Right, and over here spawns shooter, gunner, fine. And I'm going to gunner one, huh? Gunner one, HP 300, no sniping. Lob 1, I think lob 1 will be better here because the player also has a wind up. This will take some testing. We will test this. Gunner 1, hashtag gunner 1, and fine, walk around too, have fun. This guy, man, can you just chill for a bit? And where is your exit? This is what I need to do. This is what I need to spend more time exploring different styles. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? This section will be underscore m underscore s st1. Apply. Okay. Now let's see how this feels in game. M Shiruken 1. Okay. Man, I need to, you know what? Fine. Let's do this the hard way. Manifest start. Manifest start. Okay, I know what I can do here. Constants, gizmos. No, this is not a gizmo. Metadata, models. This is looking a little bit old. Lights, pickups, fine. Spawn types. Manifest start pill. Manifest loadout. Load out. Perfect, yaar, perfect. Loadout. Give me my loadout. I remember when this was just 5 items. I was in Sapporo programming this thing, and this list was just 5 items for each enemy. Come a long way, man. Come a long way. All right, so we've got this spawner, ACC pill, loadout, handle loadout. Okay, just handle the pill pickup, man. Just handle the pill pickup. Oh wait, I can do this, right? Set type pill. Never mind. You know what? I have a loadout. Okay. Weapon pickup. Oh, I can just do this. Okay, let's do this. Where is the modifier set? If constants dot current is equal to constants dot ninja, just to take this example right now, return handle weapon pickup sc pickup type dot shiruk. Okay, return null. Handle loadout. Do we have pickup loadout? What is this doing here? Why is it that we have a table instead of, is the numbering gone wrong? Loadout. Loadout? Spawn type loadout. What is spawn type loadout? Man. Yes, it's working now. I get it. All the way over there, huh? Is Constance not a ninja? How can it be? I think that's the other one that I've placed in the map. Is there another one? Yeah. And delete this and add a. Haven't put this down in a while. Trigger, fog. What's up, dude? Why is my something's up? This thing used to work. Is there an error? We'll have to investigate this. This is my favorite feature. Oh, it works here, but it doesn't work. Fascinating. Index.html. Window update current section. Section ops. Is this section op? No, it's segment ops. Ops Intel. Name Intel. Huh. Funny. Wonder why this is not being called. Opcode 1. What? Number 6 Sakura tree. Sure, man. See, it works on the spawn just fine. So tuning profile set. Let's set this. I have a feeling that we've been through this before. Where are you coming from? Default, huh? Default. Manifest mode. Okay. Fascinating. How is it that the level ops? Oh, because manifest start is loaded before the level. Is it though? Not too sure about that. That's a funny conundrum we're in. How did this happen? Level modifier 2. So is manifest start Oh, interesting. So this is not calling the level. See, the parent level is different. Huh. Interesting. So the first level change is being called after manifest start. That is a big problem. But this code is wrong. ctx.stage.level. Hmm. But over here, level ops will be null. This, it's an easy fix, but it won't. It doesn't make sense to make this change over here, because this will have a little bit of a domino effect for the rest of the modes also, where I'm not using level ops anywhere else right now. It would be cool to have this problem resolved here and now, but technically when the level changes, it's when the parent level is different too. But over here what happens is that technically the level that is being placed is not the parent level, it's the sub level first. But that sub level is in the parent level, which technically is being mounted right now. This is just a flaw in the system. This is a problem that I haven't addressed before. So only, yeah, so when this stage gets placed, level change is true, and I think generator level is set to this, right? Right. What's the default value of this? Null level. So man, this is super tricky to fix. I have to come back to this. I want to try this level first. Watch out for snipers. I have a feeling it's not big enough still. Fog 35. Trigger. I think the segment ops are not updating on keystroke. That could be it. I'm struggling, but man, that fog, bring it. Oh, this is a whole different play style, man. Are we feeling the dodge here or no? Charger. Let's get a simple gunner. What are we, gunner 1? Grunt. I think the moving gunner here is going to be a lot more fun. All shot sniper. Why isn't this bad boy shooting me? Because he's a grunt. That's why. Gunner. Alright, we're going full exploration here, okay? I'm liking this. Very Darkroot Basin vibes. Dude, I could play this forever. 12 by, what is wrong with you? 13, huh? How about that? 14? 12 by 14. Okay. Is that better? Gunner 1. Flank duration. Also, the sky with the lights. Come on. Yes. Okay. I think their fire rate could go down. Like they could flank a little bit more. Lob 1, 750, walk speed 100, apply, save. This guy, can you just be a little bit more chill, bro? Hashtag gunner 1. Just hide here for a sec. Let me have a one-on-one with this guy first. Like these levels, maybe we can make them longer. And have like HP pickups and everything. This or dodge roll, this or dodge roll. I'm kind of leaning on dodge roll because you know the shuriken already has that momentary kind of like pause feeling to it, right? Like you build up, and then the second break is kind of, it's the same motion again, you know, like aesthetically it just feels like it feels more repetitive. Hey Frail Dog, what's up, how's it going? Prototyping some new mechanics here. I was thinking, deciding between pairing the shuriken with either a dodge roll or the deflect. But like this is what the deflect feels like, and I think it feels a little bit repetitive, especially with like enemies that have 3 HP. Because like over here, it'll be cool to have, you know, some kind of like if we are doing, you know, a different feeling kind of, you know, different texture of gameplay, a slow deliberate kind of like you have to sit with an enemy and like exchange some blows with them. This is going to do that. But I am not 100% feeling this. I'm just going to try a dodge roll instead. Okay, ninja quick step dodge roll true. Okay, let's try this. Now it's a samurai profile. Yeah, I'm gonna disconnect I'm gonna remove the spawner from the start. I'm gonna find a different way to figure that out. This pill needs to come before. Oh, is this a dodge roll and a, what is going on, dude? Knife allowed false. What was my solution to the problem? Manifest start. Manifest start loadout. A new level just for this. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a second. This. Wait, I got it. Wait. This doesn't need to be a level. This can be a. I've been doing this all this while. Wait. This will work. Now I can just put a shuriken pickup right here. Am I not in the game? Okay, wait. Dodge roll, true, first shot, halt here. Basically, we're just in ninja mode now. Okay, we're going back to ninja mode. Modifier 1, apply, save. I meant samurai. Samurai mode. Dodge roll, no knife. Player speed 7. There's my shuriken. Okay, we need a little bit of headway before the player goes in here. Okay, here a little small. Can I add ops here directly? Fog 35 was it? I'm doubting this would work. Trigger fog 35, exit with 3, apply, save. Oh, he shoots me from the fog. I love it. I love this. This is good. This is very good. Run around a little bit. Maybe the flank walk speed could be a little bit 70. See. You know what? This is it. I am definitely leaning towards this section. This can be a grunt. Just 2 shots. We can have multiple enemies, you know. We can have a boss kind of tank later if we want. I wanna try this for a bit. Let's see. Yeah, so 2 rolls, right? 2 rolls gets me the kill. Unless I mess up. Yeah, this is like super slow, and I think that's a good thing. That's a good thing. And I'm kind of really digging this nighttime vibe that we've got going back again with the fog. The trees are pretty harmless because there are no colliders anyway. This is a lot of flood fill I'm using, I think. It's all right. Okay, just for kicks, let's try it. Apply save. He will definitely move once. Ow. And I am assuming the move direction is deterministic to some extent. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Dude, now this is what I'm talking about. Get ready for some like super long levels. And we're gonna probably like teleport through the fog and everything. Oh, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be fun. Gonna get into this. Yeah. I don't know how much more time she's gonna take from me, man. how much more of my attention this game is going to take. There is no end in sight. That's probably a good thing. That's probably a good thing. Do you see that? Do you see do you see the way the brightness kind of fades into the fog of the main artery? Beautiful. We could also make it so that like these stages, like all the music is just suppressed, like continuously, like it's in the background. If the fog is up, then it's just like the whole level will be like that would be nice. I don't have we removed the room echo stuff, so that's I'm not bringing that back. That's gonna be a lot of engineering. One hit and you're dead. So if there was a boss, say for example, let's add one over here. Give me a big surface. 20 by 10. Empty surface 1. Apply. And over here what we're going to do is block 4. I always mess this up. Okay, now what we're going to do is try out an enemy that is a gunner. Well, you will behave a little bit differently. 500. 500. Lob 3. 650. Flank duration 7. No, this is gonna be hella difficult to dodge. I don't know if the player would even be able to do this. 3 lobs at 650, but these are not snipers, so might work. What happened, dude? That was quick. Section, huh? Section. Genius. Oh, damn. Triple lob. Mr. Triple lob. Oh, this is impossible. I can't, okay, so I can't shoot. I can't shoot while he is static. If he's shooting me, I have to keep moving. Okay, I can do this. Okay, that's nice. That's all right. I can get behind this. It's like a mini boss fight. Let's do this, bro. Let's do this. Hit me. Hit me. I focus, bro. It's not that hard. I've got one roll. Okay, I've got one roll, and otherwise I just have to keep my distance. This is, dude. This is like a whole different play style. Getting greedy. Patience, bro. You gotta time your attacks. Almost had him this time. Damn. Five HP is like it's a proper fight. It's a proper. You stop, you're dead. You stop, you're done for. You, sir, are going in. You are going in as boss gunner. Boss gunner. Apply. Save. Dude. Yes. Boss gunner. I was designing levels with the regular mechanics, and I was just like, part of me is like, I was telling myself like, oh, this feels like a little bit of a drag. It's like, I don't want to hand design levels for the sake of hand designing levels. Like, oh, the game has hand designed levels too. Like, give me a break. I wanna have fun, dude. You know what I mean? I wanna do something different. I wanna do some like I wanna play with my tools. Like the game is just like happening as a side effect of that thing that I'm trying to do, which is more fun, which is play with my tools. This right here is an example of me being able to play with my tools. I think a couple of these levels would make a nice campaign. I like it. I like it. I like it. I wonder what we could do for the Uzi. That'll be fun to sit down and test. Miso soup wa samui desu. Like, I think we have to get out of the blocky mindset that I have with the levels, right? It's like pulling myself out of transcend mode is proving to be quite a challenge. But I think with this, I will really be able to completely push myself out of that. Like, I mean, obviously, I only have rectangles, but still, with that, I can draw some, semblance of progression that feels less corridor room. This could be more of like a flowing, broad, like a just like this continuous like fat corridors, the big wide open spaces that flow. So like this MST1 thing that I have over here, I can just go here. I can get rid of this. Okay, I'm gonna add one. I want to get rid of this. I don't even have to get rid of it. I will just disconnect it, apply, and over here I'm gonna go to segments, Got a wide open segment here, okay. 8 by 8. Do I want it to be 8 by 8? Why not? 8 by 8, empty, surface 1. Now we just have to make sure that I don't run out of flood points, because I only have a limited number of flood points. Let's do something fancy here. It's like a little gate. I have a gate. Here's my stone hinge, and I could have some of my artificial walls going here. You can be a block. Y1. There you go. That's a level. I need nighttime effects, please. I have to start from the beginning. Oh, look at this. Now I want to beat that guy again. So the only way to reset your stamina is to land another shot, and that's just not that easy to do when you have the shuriken. So you have to go into that mode of like, okay, now I have to kind of like get out of the way of the bullets, which is something that you do in transcend mode already if you're not too adept with the knifing. So in a sense, what I'm seeing here is like each of these campaigns are just gonna like tune the available play style to constrain the player into performing a certain set of actions that they were already doing in transcend mode, but here like the level will be designed around accentuating that particular action, which I feel makes a lot of sense for like this mode to exist in the game too, right? It's not just there for the sake of more content. It's like, okay, there's these set of mechanics that we're really comfortable with, but like here's kind of like ways to like lean into different styles that are available inside of it, right? And I like what would be even more cool, and I know I'm just like talking about a lot of ideas, and like I'm working through them towards them too, but like just they're ideas, so I have to share them. This whole thing could culminate in like a different kind of like Frankenstein like combination version of Transcend 2, like a daily playlist, but like it goes into all these different play styles. Like it shuffles between all these different play styles. Imagine that. Imagine that. Didn't time that roll properly. I wonder if my shuriken works mid roll. Only if I make it. I don't think it should. I want it to be blocked. Yeah, I think I'm blocked. No, I'm not. Yeah, I can't. I should not be able to do this. Sometimes I'm able to do it. Okay. I love when you get hit while you are rolling, the hands just go crazy. No, I want it to be blocked. Let's just try it like this. If I have my shuriken, that's the animation. Yeah, I can roll mid animation. Yeah, I can roll. Let's take that out. Player control F, dodge, roll. If all fire down is, what happened, man? Let's see how that feels. So now you have to really like you have to time your actions, and if you like if you know if you spam that fire button, because the Uzi action is also queued. There's an action queue for that, so you'll be really locking yourself out of. Wait, is it even working? No, I don't think it is. And dodge roll. Nope, it's not working. It's not even being called. Is it in targeting, shooting? Locked on, or current is shoot, or current is ready. Fascinating. So what are you in right now? Update. Which animation is this? Idle? You're an idle? No way, bro. How are you still in idle? Shoot. Lock and fire. Locked on is equal to 2, timer is equal to minus 100. So if locked on is true, okay, locked on, oh, I see. Timer is activated. I think this is not required. Why am I in Uzi hand? My God. Ugh. Now I get it. I'm like, why is there a lock on swipe and the in swipe? That's it. That's all I really needed. I think it's that time. Shuriken if weapon mode is equal to weapon mode dot shuriken return not shuriken hand dot in swipe. Okay, with that I think I'm gonna call it, reset my brain, and we will get back to this. I need to stream way more, man. I need to stream way more. Yeah, completely locked in. Completely locked into that animation. Let me see if we can, let's take down that boss. Yeah, I can still do it. But I can, yeah, this is much nicer. So you have to time that dodge at the end of the animation. Oh, close call. Lots of close calls right now. Let's see if I can. I'm being too conservative here. Ah, you got me again. It's very tempting. It's very tempting to go for that last shot. I'm trying to see if I can optimize it. Like if you can land, I think if I have more distance between me and him, then it'll work. Then it'll work. There you go. There you don't go. You know what would be really cool? Fighting this enemy with like access to teleporters nearby. I got blocked there. I was going to dodge that, but I got blocked there. No room. Tight corners, just like Darkroot Basin. Sorry, Darkroot Garden. I meant Darkroot Garden. Do 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 do. Dark Souls menu music, dude. What a vibe! What a vibe! I'm not paying attention. Tamashika just wants me to pay attention, and I'm not doing it. I like how the energy balls have like this glow effect in the fog. Come on, dude, that was I have to take this guy out before we DC. That guy is so much easier than this. Look, I got him. Okay. All right. Okay. I made it. Let's see if this shows up on the map. Nice. Cool. Okay, that was nice. I like the direction of that level a lot. Ah, nice. Where is my browser? Share live stream? Why would I do that? Okay. Um, Thanks for dropping by, Frail Dog. New update should be live in a week. We will have accelerate mode, and then hopefully this coming month. I don't want to rush manifest mode. Maybe I'll like drop in like 1 or 2 levels, but not all the campaigns. We'll see. We'll see how it comes together. All right. Have a good evening, night, wherever you are. See you in the next one. Infinite bliss to all.